Hello students, this is class 7 maths chapter 8 comparing quantities. How to do the compare? We have to find in this chapter ratio, percentage and profit and loss. What is ratio? First is ratio. The ratio of two quantities of the same kind in the same unit is the fraction. That one quantity is of the order. The ratio A is to B is the fraction written as A by B. Written in ratio, it is A is to B and read as A is to B. Some examples I am giving how to find the ratio. Suppose it is given find the ratio of 2 meter to 24 centimeter. Here it is given two units, meter and centimeter. First of all, what we have to do, convert both the given term quantities in the same unit. In meter you have to convert in centimeter. So what we have to do, 2 meter convert into centimeter is 200 centimeter and we have to find the ratio. 200 is to 24. When convert it into the fraction and it will divided by the first how to divide in fraction. When we are giving in the simplest form, we have to find out the HCF of both the number and divide with that HCF. So HCF of 224 is 8. We have to cut it with the 8. So it will come 25 by 3. So the ratio is 25 is to 3. Similarly, we have to find so many questions given in the NCERT book. So we have to find out the ratio. Next is percentage. What is percentage? Percentage are numerator of fraction with denominator 100. They are used for comparison. Percentage means out of 100 and its symbol is given. For example, if it is given 7 by 100 means that is 7%. 5 by 100 that means it is 5%. Percentage is the best way to compare. For your exam, if you are getting marks, so you have to compare your marks with the other. So how much percent they got and how much percent you got. So that is the best way of comparison. To convert a fraction decimal into a percentage, we multiply the fraction and decimal by 100 and put the percent sign. For example, if it is given convert 3 by 4 into percent, what we have to do? First 3 by 4 multiply by 100. When we have to reduce by cutting 4 to 100, that is 25 and 25 3s are 75 and then we have to put the percentage sign. Similarly, in the decimal also, if 0.36 convert into percentage, first what we have to do, 0.36 multiply by 100. So when we have to 0.36 convert into fraction, it will come 36 by 100. So 100 and 100 will cancel and we have to get 36 only and we have to put the percentage sign. Similarly, we have to find out the many questions how to find the percentage of the numbers, marks, everything, whatever we have to compare, we have to find out with the percentage. Next in this chapter is profit and loss. Profit and loss. What is the meaning of profit and loss? So there are some important terms in this chapter, that is cost price, selling price, mark price, list price and maximum retail price. What is cost price? Cost price is that when we are buying something, that is cost price, and if we want to sell that items or things, that is selling price. Mark price is also same in the market. When we are buying the objects, then it will come mark price. List price also in the marketing sector, it will come in the list price. Maximum retail price is also when we are going to market and buying something, that is. And one for that, this is the some formulas to how to find profit and how do we get the profit and how do we get loss. So profit is what? when we are buying something and we are selling something. So if we are buying something in the lowest price and we are selling is the highest price, means selling price is greater than cost price, so we will get profit. So how we will get profit? Selling price minus cost price. If we will subtract cost price from the selling price, we will get the profit. Similarly, we have to find the profit percent also. We have discuss about the percentage, how to find. So we have to multiply by the 100. So profit means you have to, whatever you have get profit, you have to find out their percentage also. So profit by CP into 100%, that you have to got the profit percent. Similarly, we have to find the, if profit is given and cost price is given, we have to find out the selling price. If selling price is given and profit is given, we have to find out the cost price with these formulas. And next is loss. How we will get loss? If we are buying something and selling it at the lowest price. So loss is the कॉस्ट प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन सेलिंग प्राइस. खरीदेंगे ज़्यादा में एंड बेचेंगे कम में, तो देन इट इज़ लॉस. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट लॉस विद द सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस cost price minus selling price. Similarly, we have to find out the loss percent, loss in by CP into 100%. Similarly, we have to, if it is given cost price is given and loss is given, we can find out the selling price also. If it is given selling price and loss given, we have to find out the cost price also. Similarly, marketing price means when you are getting the marketing price विद द सेलिंग प्राइस जो हम लोग बेचें उससे मार्केट प्राइस बड़ा होगा, तो वी कैन गिव द डिस्काउंट. तो डिस्काउंट इज द व्हाट मार्केटिंग प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस. सिमिलरली डिस्काउंट परसेंट वी कैन गेट डिस्काउंट बाय मार्केटिंग प्राइस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, वी गेट डिस्काउंट परसेंट. सिमिलरली वी फाउंड आउट द सेलिंग प्राइस. इफ मार्केटिंग price and discount is given. So from these formulas we will solve so many problems related to profit and loss. So students, in NCERT book we have to solve so many questions and it is given so many questions, so we have to find out with these formulas. So all of you have to remember the formulas and how to find the ratio, percentage and profit and loss. These all are with the formula based. So if you will solve these with the formula, you can find out everything. So thank you for this, and next come to the next video. We will find out the next video and solve the some questions. Thank you.